Constitution is the Gita, Bible and Quran of the Indian Republic. It is a foundational law laying down the basic political structure of India. It determines the relationship between citizens and the government and the relationship between citizens themselves. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land. It is about everything else in the country. Nobody is above it or beyond it. India is the largest democracy in the world. We have one of the most comprehensive constitutions too. With 448 articles in 12 schedules, the Constitution of India is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world. It has 104 amendments till date. The Indian Constitution to the test of time, India has been a successful democracy. Making of the Indian Constitution was a challenging task. The responsibility of making the Constitution was on the Constituent Assembly formed in 1946. The Constituent Assembly worked in a very systematic manner. After 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, on 26 November 1949, the Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. It was indeed a stupendous work. As the chairman of the drafting committee, the role played by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was unparalleled. But for Dr. Ambedkar, a man who came up by fighting all the social inequalities of his times, nobody else could have captured the aspirations of Indian society so well into the Constitution. Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas is celebrated on 26 November as a tribute to the father of our Indian Constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Let us also remember some of the other eminent personalities who were the members of the Constituent Assembly and have contributed significantly to the making of Indian Constitution. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, a prominent leader of the Indian freedom struggle and the first Prime Minister of independent India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Home Minister of India, formerly known as the Iron Man of India. Abul Kalam Azad, a great educationist and an author. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the Chairman of the Constituent Assembly and the first President of India. Dr. K. M. Munshi, founder of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, an eminent advocate, historian and linguist. Sarojini Naidu, a poet, writer and political activist. On this special day, let us bow our heads before these great men for their visionary leadership and commitment. Now, I welcome Rina Miss of Social Department to give us a message.
Very good morning to you all. Students, do you know the importance of this day? Today is Constitutional Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas. It is celebrated in India on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Constitution is a document or a book of laws according to which the country is governed. It tells us what are the functions of the government and makes us aware of our rights, which we are entitled to in a free and democratic country like India, and at the same time reminds us of our duties towards the country and fellow human beings. A constitution is an important law of the land. It determines the relationship of the citizens with the government. It lays down the principles and guidelines which are required for people belonging to different ethnic and religious groups to live in harmony. The Constitution of India addresses each and every issue that can possibly be imagined in a country like India, which has many religions, ethnicities, cultures and languages. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Indian Constitution, and he was the main person behind the framing of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution Day is also celebrated to make us remember this great legend who was responsible for making the Constitution. The values that the Constitution represents are the values that India celebrates every day. The fundamental rights, the value of liberty, equality, fraternity and secularism are some of the ideals that are celebrated all over the world, and the Indian Union stands as a testimony to that values. The Constitution of India says that the Republic of India is a sovereign, socialist, secular and a democratic republic. The Indian Constitution, which stands for national goals like democracy, socialism, secularism and national integration, was framed by the representatives of the Indian people after long periods of debates and discussions. It is the most detailed constitution in the world. No other constitution has gone into such minute details as the Indian Constitution. Each and every individual in India should be acquainted with our Constitution because we should know what our fundamental rights are and what to do if someone deprives us of these rights. This is all clearly mentioned in the Constitution. So, the awareness of the Constitution can only help us live a complete and fulfilling life. The preamble of the Constitution begins with "We the people of India" and ends with "Give to ourselves this Constitution," thereby clarifying beyond doubt that sovereignty under the political system lies with the people. The people of India made the Constitution by incorporating the best from different constitutions of the world, and in the process we have one of the lengthiest and most brilliant constitutions that the world has ever seen. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss. Let me conclude by quoting from the much praised preamble to the Constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you.